MP bako Prophet Patel FBI for Atem.
MP Ben.
Only for Asante Atem North MP.
Asante Atem North outside. Why? Asante Atem Emudia.
Patel, Asante Regr3t. Empress yes wa Patel.
Asante Atem Emudia. Emudia.
Patel North. Patel Wadaruma Jaso area wa.
Any be will throw no Kodi MP no.
Abuza for mamu nyina makwaba Edbagana and Sem TV so. One more so be like video no be subscribe to the channel no turn on notifications. Say be next time videos of this nature about so submit my cabin so watch the wage or comment section for them. Say munim dan if Mr. President. Baby home be from Mr. President ameje so. O text me Mr. President or comment section ameje so. Who see me TikTok na pa Mr. President ameje so sir. Koye dey o baby agenda MPP. So the munim the opposition. So we are trying our possible best. We use d0n't TV channel also. Yeah, they are the new patriotic party. Yeah, they are power 2028. Inshallah, Dr. Butuu president. Now also the upper about him be also selkebi. Na my kan kaya yi. You are John the money Muhammad the book at neze ibu idi. Yeah, me any amene am fa the Messiah. Dr. Butuu me amade na say bebe few. Now once again, me catch a gun and mabunu nyina say amanya sem na ye no. Eh daachinti na ya manyo se menye mprimprint na ya manyo se de wo ye bia no wo ye no wadwo se nti daachi bia no would you be proud of decision I will make here in politics? We shouldn't forget say politics no ya ma utumi say fa bedi manfo nanim ya ma utumi say fa be ye ohunhu yi it is all your Sofo o ye ordinary Ghanaian we educationist, we medical doctor, we once I have more opportunity to serve public space, do it with due diligence, respect, and absolute clarity. And yes, I be a home bachelor.
MP bako Prophet Patel FBI for Atem.
MP Ben.
Only for Asante Atem North MP.
Asante Atem North outside. Why? Asante Atem Emudia.
Patel, Asante Regr3t. Empress yes wa Patel.
Asante Atem Emudia. Emudia.
Patel North. Patel Wadaruma Jaso area wa.
Any be will throw no Kodi MP no. For Gundi Pennimas Papa.
Robert, Amsterdam Airport.
Sir,
na FBI for Hancock Gra.
Adan.
Prophet Patel must romance Camibia.
Or no MP ni yes come anibi.
Oh yes come Patel.
And Odinyeska.
A charge and Pomodia born on a prophet. And he is a Krumoniasam Katua. A doyen ne one the Nyasam Katua.
Asante Achimo.
And it was see Maserati Krama in Yanonia Papan Kremofo. See the Achawon. A doyen ye prophet.
Nina says Kaibia.
Sending I and Kofusi Kabia Patel.
MP no.
And they say Patomat Sina, Amsterdam, or more extradited and Naku US.
Yes, US no, yes, I didn't know.
Patwine almost 2019. That's how transaction cost.
Sad.
Only for giddy power Parliament. Abekasa home. Prophet Patomodia Betu say, on Monday say, I could be buying some Amsterdam.
Sad.
Patwine prophet. As in Kasiaba. A sitting MP.
MP or Tia Conyaso.
Pato or Tia Conyaso.
A scammer.
A scammer, Pato.
Our Ghana.
Our Ghana, Pato.
You first Santiachim.
Santiago North.
Santiachim North.
The Pato.
Now they were Padamana.
Nice gentleman, prophet. Young man. As a Cassia prophet, Pachabetopa. Giddy pa.
I do this guy then.
Says a prophet, and then you are some of the ready baby pepia one
In the pump, Aday.
The ready baby pepia one pet. So, Odi for down my Obama to Taya said it was a shame. I plan to be just said the many nines.
When you send me over 20 come up on South.
Be cow what him open BH.
To go to so be so.
Just
Abrante one picture radio wa braba de wa wie ye boni beba wo. We asim de nipa bi aguanu an wo twa wo. Abro ana odua wo betwa bro wo ntwa bode. Onya mishrai. It is a what demo Amsterdam ho.
Amsterdam airport.
Holland.
I'm patrol. It is so almost extradited no. And na US.
Tomo de yanko ba good insane ne nine.
Any the patrol in Sanko.
We are sure send 9 count.
That
because Onyaka so MP pe. Some the MP hankom so good in nine. In fact, I will to anti Abagana answer Yachino.
Prophet and tap on think a parliament a casafa. I'm always easy statement craft.
Hey!
I know. Now, MPP needs one, but not a war FBI. I want to hear him. And MP has a almost a below 1 wine. BN9. Odi for patrol case no say cause pa.
E dey ade.
Odi for patrol covered wine. Akwa no BN9 ya. Prophet secretary dey odi.
Ade ne nsa ene ne ho ene ne kra akose sa asem we mu. Na e bia nyame mu.
Bi o Ghana meka no. Ehia wa bra. So you na papa na can you can one ba ho because benefo na no pe no motiase. Picketing ni demonstration ni no pe language motiase ano.
Na ba bia abrante se bia no diskani nyina akogu.
So na end of day no me post na ebu am emfa na.
Prophet ene e
we here na so ba ko. Tie de be ka ho asem. Or is that to show up? Posting no.
We yeah, like I told you, Ghana, how when the post, when the bandits, when the midwife,
no,
so annoying, so annoying and frustrating.
Now, any prophet,
we stand to arm robbers, or we stand to prostitutes. What exactly is the problem? The government must do better. Yeah, bringing me to see our parents will suffer, thinking that at the end our kids will come and take care of us, and we are still home, still begging our parents for food.
Resigning.
Every bank now, what is it?
Sir,
what is it? Minister can go do something or do something. They don't go and sit on stations and be telling us that it's your child at home. It's how you go around talking as if you don't have empathy for nurses. It's not fair. You just come and go in the media and be crying, be looking for pity. Oh, when we're paying the school fees, we're paying the money to the ministries. People didn't do it this way. But I do something that we will fulfill your part of the promise. What are the viewers? What are move viewers? Recruitment move viewers. Since when did posting become like this? Is this how our seniors were posted? Catch us a young year posting. You're doing some interview. And then I'm from Mamon Crawford. You can catch us any evidence. People are selling slots all around. And Manu can I
prosecution witness. I would dear dance it here, Papa. Now, coupons one Chadian. And the transaction in your say what no book can say any headmaster for the enemy. They battle every transaction, not my money recorded. And what time book in other better quarter. The prophet said, "There's an idea. I branch in some kind here, prophet. I can't claim.
Omni tell me. And Shabba at the assembly and Eba. Or so forth. The Biame Camunsiami. The crowd be a morning so. A dear be a yakron sika in Yawodia. And you want to say once and better that. And then what fun will be answerable. A china at the one mutual. I send be a friend to Mano. So, crowd was shut out there. Let the dream be not at the hour shine your 40 p.m. on town down. A few cock rumbana ye fina will rep a guasha for fra. And no child say, the Eswa Catania society a daddy. Because at the other brown was a yamono. Who shall support Tamuno shall support and similar to yes, see any other. Now they share what are the end. But San and many bedrua. Obesa Ross Santa, the any negro support and as I shall for Jaria Shavofro. As the Chinese said, Bibian wa ya, Ubiti, yes, also hinted the actually. Obia a radio coabani coyobeda. So can't them can say Guam Remua, a PFE. It's a radical kind of mine. In fact, Tutuana Atomokama upon some Tutuana Sikamu Rianesa Ada so basifi Obetoka
chicken kunda dada eno ansa amasoma udifo na mama muska no matumi ka ba akoko mini ba bi ote e wo Virginia we check kwa bi ase Washington Washington State ni mama ma ko ni chicken kunu simple no be jubilate you am NDC for kwasi afo mesu no masu be disease osuro mini ntimi hu se me mo bi akoko no.
What is the basis? Mujina so and they increasing light bill and water bill because ECG nene Ghana Water Company Limited at the dollar, any inflation rate, any policy rate, interest rate, no mudi jina so. Anyone send your money in our form. It is just so for to start this question. Well, Musama out of ignorance.
Yes, that's why I want to ask legitimate question
out of ignorance.
He asks out of me say he needs to be educated. Me say I didn't use the word. Say man can say me on my dear me can say me say my men are some not but when I some now can. That's what most people have been saying. And it's up to the government to explain things to them.
Your word was ignorance. They are speaking out of ignorance. That was your way.
On my ignorance, I mean, okay, so me can say, as someone I walk on, and just say, and your mabo and cosru.
But the
can want it, or my pony can say. Was it a body? Was it a penny? Was it pure water? A costro. And I mean, because inflation is above for ma. And can the rate at what things will increase, you know. The empanifono minimum woman, a pencil, commission. I can say, and say, and can back cost like a Sankabia. It has also done a trainer, Abianca, inflation, and Caribbean yet 3 cities in a Quebec count. Son or more can say the rate at which things will be increasing, a better form. What I say?
Inflation.
My, Mrs. Sana or more. Yahweh, dear me, or my car, me, and I two man that make her say, I buying, say, what the inflation about this number. And now you soon say a base rate, a 16, advance of the above or the above 14, you are. I may come catch say, a baby, or maybe a pretty and a single digit piano, or more base rate so, a cost single digit, me boy. And now, say about make can say petrol about for me. Abano dia he is trying to put all these things down.
So why na man in cost?
What yes, about to me so who now go for what there? What you say? And I know somebody can say Pulican ayaba abama enyama na eba from oh until the making. Me say so what they buy be all spoke against say I was say no mushia. I'm no mushia but nanka we my no. The phone chim so moko a penny say a port wa near man of from kaka. Yes, I know Mokai. Yes, but it's a Kanyama bono ever from. But you must say was a public air and a crime my own. Omoko funny man, but how much this one? Abano create another environment. But say individual entity near Maso, Aban Katimin Petro, and so
is right. Obisa,
so at the end of
what I say,
he's also asking a legitimate idea.
Argentina, Sanyama way in every. Abina and Davy, Nasa Bonton so for Davy. So the government should just sit down and allow it to say inflation beba 0.5. Yes. Now so and they were not 2 years ago, ni boy 8 cities, no, because the inflation rate, no.
But this is an AG who will come and bastardize people, pronounce people guilty because they know that the order has nothing. The order is a calculated attempt to tarnish the images of people. They are in their second year. And they have not been able to prove a single case. You see, I have always maintained this, and I've said it even to a fault, that if not for the NDC, nobody would have ever said a politician is corrupt in this country. Because before someone is accused of corruption, nobody is guilty until proven guilty by a competent court, right? Now, almost all the politicians who had been found guilty in this country are all NDC. All. From NDC 1, about 6 people went to jail. NDC 2, same. Even when Mahama came his first time, we had 6 people convicted.
But none from the MPP.
None. They will always use corruption as a bait and tell the people of this country that these people are corrupt. And they will use that to win elections. They did the same in 2008 with Regr3t as propaganda secretary. Mentioned people. They mentioned a lot of people. They came, started 13 prosecutions and lost all. You remember Kwesi, former foreign affairs minister? You remember Asabi and his wife?